Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is an update from Triple IT Bangalore as they are going to have admission in the MS Research and PhD programs. So when you will go to this one here, you can see admissions open for the research program for the academic year 2024-2025 term 1. This is officially, you can see this news has been updated at the Triple IT Bangalore website. So when you will click here, this will be open. So admissions for the academic year of 24-25 are open. So they are going to take admission in the MS Research and the PhD program also. So research domains are computer science, data science, IT and society, mathematics and physics, okay, networking, communication and signal processing, software engineering, VLSI and embedded systems is also available here. Now, when we are talking about other than this, Triple IT Bangalore has various specialized research centers and labs also. So, in this admission cycle, the following research centers are actively seeking PhD and MS by research application. So, you can see these centers, they are looking for the admissions. Which one? eHealth Research Center, Machine Intelligence and Robotics Center, Center for Internet of Ethical Things. You can see more are mentioned here, CTRI DG. And what is the minimum eligibility criteria? For the PhD, a candidate should have master's degree or equivalent, okay. And for the research domain, if I will talk about computer science, data science, VLSI and embedded system, software engineering, network communication and signal, candidate should have a bachelor degree or BE BTech in the required or in the respective branch, okay. Other than this, master's degree in the engineering is required for the PhD program. So computer science and software engineering GATE or GRE scorecard is also required in the last 5 years. Second, applicants should clear a written exam conducted by Triple IT Bangalore covering topics on the data structure, algorithm, discrete maths, DBMS, operating system, basic programming as it is mentioned here. Okay. Now, other than this, screening, shortlisting will be based on the aforementioned process, means the written test score and the applications detail also. Data science, so as it is mentioned, applicants should have taken one of the following examination, that is GATE exam, or PhD candidate should have MSc or MTech, or screening will be based on the score of this one, as it is clearly mentioned in each and every detail. Same for VLSI also, they will have a written test followed by the interview, okay, and GATE score is not mandatory but it is desirable. So for the networking, communication and signal processing also, this is requirement for the PhD. So you guys can check each and every detail according to your branch. You can check every detail is mentioned here. Fellowship or scholarship or tuition fees is also mentioned. For full-time MS students, fellowship will be 20,000 per month. Full-time PhD, it is 38,500 rupees. Okay. Tuition fees in both the cases is 77,000 per semester, it is mentioned. So it's given to you hostel and the mess fees is also mentioned. How to apply, this is very important. So you need to go for this website pravesh.trippleitb.net, okay, and then you can go for you can email, you can write down your queries at this mail ID also, okay. The degree program manuals are available at this one, you can check. Now important dates. So research admission portal is already live. Last date for online application submission will be 20th May 2024. Okay, before that you need to apply. Notification to candidates interview and optionally written test is 3rd June. Date of written test and interview between 14 June to 24 June. Notification to admitted candidates 28 June. So it's mentioned every detail, it is mentioned here. Now brief description of the research domain, about each and every branch also they mention. So you guys, if you are looking for the Triple IT Bangalore admission, you can go through your GATE scorecard also. If you are having low GATE scorecard, then also you can apply, but just check it out each and every detail on the official website. Thank you.